Welcome you to exploring my computer channel. This video about different IP address classes. Internet Protocol address is a numerical representation that uniquely identifies a computer or another device on the network. It is like a mailing address which identifies where postal mail comes from and where it should be delivered. IP addresses are binary numbers but are typically expressed in decimal form, that is IPv4, or hexadecimal form IPv6, to make reading and using them easier for humans. IPv4 uses a 32 bits address, whereas IPv6 uses 128 bits address for its internet addresses. IPv4 address is divided into two parts, that is network ID and host ID. Network ID identifies the network segment to which the host belongs, whereas host ID identifies an individual host on some specific network segment. A host can communicate directly only with the other hosts on the same network segment. In IPv4 classful addressing, the 32-bit IP address is divided into 5 subclasses, that is Class A, Class B, Class C, Class D, and Class E. The first 3 classes of addresses differ by how their network IDs are defined. Class A addresses use the first octet for the network ID. Class B addresses use the first 2 octets, and Class C addresses use the first 3 octets for the network ID. IP address belonging to Class A are assigned to the networks that contain a large number of hosts. Here, network ID is 8 bits long and the host ID is 24 bits long. Class A diagram is shown here. The higher order bit of the first octet in Class A is always set to 0. The remaining 7 bits in the first octet are used to determine network ID. The 24 bits of host ID are used to determine the host in any network. Class A addressing can have 126 networks, that is 2 to the power of 7 minus 2. And 16,777,214 hosts, that is 2 to the power of 24 minus 2. Class A IP address format is shown here. IP address belonging to Class B are assigned to the networks that contain a large number of hosts, that is, the network ID is 16 bits long and the host ID is 16 bits long. Class B diagram is shown here. The higher order bit of the first octet in Class B is always set to 10. The remaining 14 bits in first octet are used to determine network ID. The 16 bits of host IDs are used to determine the host in any network. Class B addressing can have 16,384 networks, that is 2 to the power of 14, and 65,534 hosts, that is 2 to the power of 16. IP address belonging to Class C are assigned to small sized networks, that is The network ID is 24 bits long and the host ID is 8 bits long. Class C diagram is shown here. The higher order bit of the first octet in Class C is always set to 110. The remaining 21 bits in first octet are used to determine network ID. The 8 bits of host ID are used to determine the host in any network. Class C addressing can have 2,097,152 networks, that is 2 to the power of 21, and 254 hosts, that is 2 to the power of 8 minus 2. IP address belonging to class D are reserved for multicasting. The higher order bits of the first octet of IP addresses belonging to class D are always set to 1110. The remaining bits are for the address that interested hosts recognize. IP address belonging to class C are reserved for experimental and research purposes. Private and public IP addresses. IP addresses are mainly divided in two categories, that is private IP addresses and public IP addresses. Private IP addresses are the IP addresses which are reserved for local networks and cannot be accessed from a public network such as internet. Vice versa, a public network cannot be accessed from a private IP address. Following IP ranges are reserved for private IP addresses. Public IP addresses are the IP addresses which are publicly accessible from any public network such as internet. In order to access a public IP address, we must have to use a public IP address. Except private IP addresses, all IP addresses of Class A, Class B and Class C are public IP addresses. Special IP addresses are the IP addresses which are reserved for network testing and troubleshooting. These IP addresses cannot be assigned to an end device or an interface. Following addresses are reserved for special purpose. 0.0.0.0. This is the first IP address of IP addresses. It represents all networks. This IP reserved for testing and troubleshooting. Virtual interfaces such as loopback adapter use this IP range for addressing. This is reserved for multicast addresses. A multicast address is an address which has multiple recipients. This is reserved for future use. These addresses are not used currently for any purpose. This is the last IP address of IP addresses. It represents all hosts. Classless addressing. It provides a variable length of blocks which have a range of addresses according to the need of users. To reduce the wastage of IP addresses in a block, we use subnetting. Here we use host ID bits as net ID bits of a classful IP address. We give the IP address and define the number of bits for mask along with it, usually followed by a / symbol. Number of subnets equal to given bits for mask minus number of bits in default mask. Number of hosts per subnet equal to 2 to the power of 32 minus given bits for mask minus 2. Hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe the channel for brief and informative videos. Thank you for watching.